Hello and welcome to my channel Healthy Mindset. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important topics in today's fast-paced world, mental health and mindfulness. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, this video is for you. Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, more than 450 million people worldwide are currently suffering from some form of mental illness? That's a staggering number. But the good news is, there are ways to take care of our mental health and improve our overall well-being. And one of the most effective ways is through mindfulness. So, what is mindfulness? In simple words, mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without judgment. It's about being aware of our surroundings and staying focused on the present, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Numerous studies have shown that mindfulness can have a significant positive impact on our mental health. For example, practicing mindfulness regularly can help reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost our overall sense of well-being. In fact, many therapists and mental health professionals now incorporate mindfulness into their treatment plans for a variety of mental health conditions, such as depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. So, how can we incorporate mindfulness into our daily lives? Well, there are many ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation. This involves sitting in a quiet place, focusing on your breath or a particular object, and letting go of any distracting thoughts. Mindful breathing. This involves paying attention to your breath as you inhale and exhale, and noticing any sensations in your body. Body scan. This involves slowly and systematically scanning your body from head to toe, noticing any physical sensations or areas of tension. Mindful walking. This involves taking a walk in nature or any quiet place, focusing on your surroundings, and being fully present in the moment. So, whether you're struggling with a mental health condition or just looking to improve your overall well-being, I highly recommend giving mindfulness a try. Incorporating just a few minutes of mindfulness practice into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this one.